Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on our updates and get notified about our new videos.
This is the new Adwords user interface, which is currently in beta. You can see the beta symbol here. Ads in Adwords follow a 3-level structure. At the top is the campaign, where you set objectives for the ad, like driving sales or driving people to your website. Within the campaign, you set up multiple ad groups. You can set up targeting at ad group level. For example, you select keywords to target at the ad group level. Within the ad group, you create your ads. You can create multiple ads within the same ad group, so you can test different messaging. You also add keywords to the ad group and set bids for each keyword in the ad group. Let us look at the user interface. The leftmost column here shows you all the campaigns and category of campaigns. You can see search campaigns, video campaigns. You use the second column, this column, to drill down into your campaigns. For example, currently I have all campaigns selected here. If I click campaigns, now it's going to show me campaign level data. If I select search campaigns here, now it shows me all the search campaigns that are there in the account. And then I can click on each campaign to drill down further. This area where you are seeing this data is the work area. Let me select a particular campaign. Now you can see the ad groups within this campaign. If I click on ads and extensions here, you can see the ads. If I click keywords, you can see the keywords in this campaign. The performance data for your campaign that you see here is for the time period selected in this date picker. You can select a predefined time duration, or you can select a custom start and end date. In the top menu, you can access your account setup, your billing and payment information, your business data. You can give other users access to your account. You also see tools, planning tools, keyword planner and ad preview and diagnosis tools, shared library. You can create shared libraries, assets that are shared across your campaigns. You can also create rules and script that apply bulk action to your account. Under measurement, you have tools for measuring conversions, linking to Google Analytics, and for search attribution. This icon here gives you access to reporting features. You can either create a custom report or you can use a set of predefined reports here. If you need help, you go here.
Hey, thanks for watching. Do like the video, share it, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Check out exclusive coupon codes for our YouTube learners in the description and visit moneypalprolearn.com to redeem it.